In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and customize your cash flow reports in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for managing your business's finances effectively. So if you're ready, let's get started. To begin with, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Log in using your credentials. It's important to ensure you have the correct login information handy so you can access your account smoothly. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the QuickBooks dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Reports. Click on this to move to the Reports section. The Reports section in QuickBooks is quite comprehensive. It allows you to access a variety of different financial statements and detailed reports to better understand your financial standing. When you're in the Reports section, take a moment to explore. You'll see that you can find all types of reports here, ranging from balance sheets to profit and loss statements. For today's session, our focus is on cash flow reports, so you'll want to click on Standard Reports. This is typically where you'll find the more commonly used reports, including the cash flow statement. Now, once you're inside the Standard Reports area, you have two ways to navigate. You can either scroll through the list of available reports or use the search bar to find what you need more quickly. Type in cash flow if you're using the search bar, and you should see the option for the Statement of Cash Flows. After locating it, click on Statement of Cash Flows, and your report will be generated based on default settings. At this stage, you'll see a complete cash flow report for your account, but typically, you'll want to adjust it to fit your specific needs. This is where customization comes into play. To customize the report, look for the Report Period option. Clicking on it allows you to set the specific time frame you wish to evaluate. You can set both a starting date and an ending date that makes the most sense for the analysis you're performing. Take your time here, as selecting the appropriate date range is crucial for accurate reporting. Continuing with customization, find Display Columns. This function enables you to adjust how the columns in your reports are organized for optimal readability and usability. Moreover, the Show Non-Zero or Active Only option helps streamline your report by displaying only the rows and columns filled with data. Once you've tailored all settings to your liking, go ahead and click on Run Report. After running the report, you'll see your customized version of the cash flow report right in front of you. Is everything as you expected? If so, there's one final step you might consider. Go ahead and click on Save Customization to preserve your report format, ensuring it's readily available for future use. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and customized a cash flow report in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can effortlessly keep an eye on your business's cash flow, helping you make informed financial decisions and strategize for growth. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this video helpful.